Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with a phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, you need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Now, if it didn't help you, I recommend it to restart your device. So I use this earbuds with this iPhone and I need to restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, you need to restart your tablet. If it also didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. Perform a factory reset. So at the back side of each earbud we have touch controls. You see this Belkin, this one is touch controls. You need to press and hold at the both of them for at least 10 seconds until you will see that the LED light start blinking white and blue, and then the LED light will turn off. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking blue, it's okay, just enter to panic mode, just keep holding touch areas. Here we go, and now turn off, so we can release fingers, and then we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. To do this, open settings, then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. After that, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. If you have this button, if you have iOS, turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to panic mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!